Boy, he almost didn't make it across that road. Those cars that were behind me, they wasn't slowing down for no turtle, man. Anyway. I didn't think he would be there when I got back. He was in the middle of the road and I straddled him. I knew he had another half a lane and 2 more lanes to get across. I didn't think he was gonna make it, but I turned around and got him out of the road. Anyway, I guess I'm different than a lot of people. Welcome back to the channel, non-consensual towing. That's what we do, man. We yank cars. Anyway, we're pulling in on one right now. This one, I think I'm gonna back in. I think I'm gonna back in and grab it. It's a little Porsche is what it is. How you doing? Trying to keep them in line. They're pretty good dogs. Yeah. Yeah, labs are good dogs, ain't they? Started to fade. I can't tell. I think it was sometime in June. It was stickered and nobody's responded whatsoever to the stickers, and they put it right on the front windshield where it's facing out, where you can see it a mile away. I just know these properties, they reserve the right. They reserve the right to tow cars off their property if they want to tow them, and that's what they did with this one. They're pretty lenient here. This manager here, she works with the residents real well, and she gives them every chance they can get. But if they don't call, you get towed. Anyway, they'll come to the yard. Somebody will probably come get this little Porsche out. It does have some value, and we're gonna roll to the yard. Enough yapping. Let's get to the next one. We just pulled back in down here in Clayco, fixing to yank some cars. I got another driver with me today. Hey, thank you. He gave me the code too. But hey, one more guy's coming behind me.
Okay, I got you. Take care.
Thank you. Like I said, we got one more driver here. He's gonna yank some cars too. But this ain't the worst neighborhood, but it definitely ain't the best. I'll tell you that much. Clayton County's got some rough areas. Like I said, this particular apartment complex here, it's not that bad. I've been getting ate up lately, man. Something bit the crap out of the back of my neck. It's just that time of year. Getting a few hard looks down here, but sometimes that's the way this business is. We definitely piss off a lot of people doing this kind of work. I can guarantee that. This one's got to go. No tag on that one. XL. You probably drag it out. Huh? Yeah, you can drag it out. Go ahead and get the Magnum then. I don't know. Hey there. Any of these cars yours? Which one?
Magnum.
The Magnum. You know he's towing. Have you talked to the manager?
That car has a proper tag on it. Did you look at the tag?
I just know he pointed out and told me to tow that one, that one, that one.
This one not getting towed. It has a proper tag.
Well, it's going to be up to him. He'll be here in a minute. It's up to him. It's not up to us what's towed. It's not up to me. It's up to the manager. Well, we don't run the property.
We don't have
And
a
I'm
choice.
not.
It has
Yeah.
a proper tag. I'll wait for him to come down.
I understand what you're saying. That's up to, and it's up to him. It's completely up to him, not up to me. So he'll be here in a little bit, but the Suburban's not yours. Okay.
No, just
All right.
coming down.
Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna try to wheel lift that one because I can wheel lift it. You're gonna get a Suburban. She don't know anything about the Suburban.
So, you know who this belongs to? Okay, this one fine.
Okay, we'll hold off on her. I told her, that's what I told her. It's up to you. I told her it ain't up to us. And it was quiet.
And then it's
she
a-
stayed calm.
And it's a facade up there by the 6. Did you see it?
Yeah, we're gonna grab this one. He's gonna back up and get this one. I'm gonna roll that one back, put it on the wheel lift, and we're gonna go up here and get the Passat.
Okay.
Okay. We'll be at the office in a minute. We'll be up there in a few. Thanks, sir. The lady with the Magnum, he gave her a pass. She put some tag on it. Whatever tag she put on it's gonna do for now. The manager said hold off on it, so we're not gonna tow it. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna push this Acura out, lock it out, pop it neutral, roll it back. Anyway, it took a lot longer than what I wanted, especially in the neighborhood where towing out of. You don't want to get caught up here down on the south side. Get caught up down here, man. You got problems going on. People don't want you on the property. Get caught up down here, man. Get caught up, that's for sure. Hey, I think you're good, man. I've been down there loading, dragging out, man. Them girls are cool. She waved at me and everything. The girl down there with the Magnum. I had a hard time getting it right here loaded, man. I'll back down there. I'll turn around and come back down there. Anyway, we're going to the office. Pretty sure I probably don't look too nice. Face is probably pretty dirty, but I ain't got any bullet holes in my chest, so came out okay. Sometimes I catch myself crying, man. Wah. I gotta tell myself shut the crap up, man. That's what I do, man. I yank cars every day. Ain't no easy game. Ain't no easy job, man. It's tough business. But it is what it is, man. Tires out, man. Get on. get on to the house.
There Tater is.
Quick record, man, and I'll sign these out, man, and get off this property. Before somebody comes home pissed off. We got 4 vehicles. I'm sure somebody still is here and somebody wants their vehicle back. So we're gonna get on.